Okay, sir, just give me a few seconds.
Yes, ma'am, for sure.
Afternoon, Rahul, again. So we are meeting again.
Your voice.
Sir, I cannot see Rahul.
Rahul, now please switch on your mic.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Rahul. How are you? Acha, Rahul, I saw your
because this is not the first time I'm giving an interview.
Okay, good enough.
And nervous
We'll
because this is
many...
only the second time.
That was a nice
and both time, I am the person who is taking your viva. Okay. Chalo, at least you know. अच्छा चलो, मेरा ये question है Rahul. I saw your presentation. You said me, मतलब in your presentation you said that intermediate goods जो हैं उनको हम include नहीं करते हैं in the calculations of GDP. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am, you are totally correct.
हाँ है ना? तो मुझे एक बात बताओ. There is a confusion. I just want to ask you कि अगर जैसे suppose we take an example of a farmer producing wheat, but the wheat is not directly bought by the consumer, but it is bought by suppose a factory owner who is preparing bread out of it. ठीक है? तो अब you are saying कि हम जो उसका wheat का जो cost है उसको नहीं है. Very, I know it is obviously totally correct कि फिर वो 2 times add हो जाएगा है ना. wheat की भी value एक बार यहाँ भी हो गई फिर bread में भी हो गई. तो then what do you think कि वो wheat की value जो farmer ने earn किया वो तो हमने कहीं use ही नहीं की. तो उसका क्या हुआ?
वो जो है वो उस इनकम का क्या हुआ कि वो जो कंपनी वाला है उसने उस वीट की वैल्यू अपने प्राइस में डाल के अपनी सर्विस की भी वैल्यू उसमें डाल दी. उसका टारगेट है प्रॉफिट कमाना. ओके, तो वो प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए अपनी सर्विस की भी वैल्यू उसमें डालेगा और वो पीछे की जो उसकी कॉस्ट लगी उसकी भी डालेगा. तो ऐसा नहीं है अपन उसे काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपन उसे काउंट कर रहे हैं, बस उसे देखने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. ओके, इट इज इंक्लूडेड बट इट इज इंक्लूडिंग इन अ हिडन वे.
अच्छा, तो फिर मुझे एक बताओ क्या उस फार्मर की इनकम हुई या इनकम ही नहीं हुई? अगर हम जीडीपी पे कैलकुलेट करें तो फिर उस फार्मर की इनकम क्या हुई? आई नो इट इज अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन बट आई एम आस्किंग यू बिकॉज आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर.
उस फार्मर की इनकम हुई, उसका कंपनी वाला ने उससे जो वीट लिया है वो पैसे देकर ही लिया है. वो पैसे उसको मिल चुके हैं तभी उसने अपना वीट दिया है. बेसिकली नो सर्विस फॉर गुड इज फ्री इन इकोनॉमिक्स. एवरी इंडिविजुअल लुक्स फॉर हिज और हर प्रॉफिट. सो उस फार्मर की इनकम हो चुकी है और जो उसकी इनकम हुई वो जीडीपी में जो ब्रेड की कॉस्ट है उसके साथ आ जाएगी.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो फिर अब मैं उस जीडीपी को देख रही हूँ तो मैं उस फार्मर की इनकम तो इंक्लूडेड ही नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है, जस्ट सिंपल आंसर. हाँ ठीक है, मतलब आई नो अ बिट ट्रिकी. बेसिकली आंसर यही है कि जब हम जीडीपी उस तरीके से ऐड कर रहे हैं प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, टर्शरी सेक्टर, तो उसमें इंटरमीडिएरी गुड्स इंक्लूड नहीं होंगे. बट अगर हम एज एन इंडिविजुअल उसकी इनकम नहीं उसका प्रॉफिट अर्न करेंगे तब तो सबका जब प्रॉफिट या सबकी इनकम अर्न करेंगे, आई मीन इनकम, तो फिर वो एक तरीके से उतनी ही वैल्यू आएगी. ठीक है, just a question I thought of asking you now. Just give me a minute, sir. Can you just ask?
Question. Thank you.
Okay.
While you are searching for it, I'll ask Abhilasha ma'am to continue with the question.
हाँ sir, so that I can ask from his CV as well.
Sorry, I had to take away the permission because there were some students who were switching it on. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, not an issue. Bonjour, Rahul.
Bonjour, ma'am.
So, how are you? I know only bonjour in French. That's it. You know the basic French.
We can have a class. I can tell you about it.
Oh, yeah, sure. Definitely, we will. Okay, just one question. You have taken... Okay, good. Just one question. You have taken all your source in your presentation from DPIIT. So what is the full form of this DPIIT?
Actually, ma'am, where I have taken my graphics from is the MER monthly economic report, and in that report has taken sources from DPIIT. So I am not actually in the knowledge of the full form. I'm
Okay,
extremely sorry.
okay.
I do not know the full form.
Okay, not an issue. It is Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Okay.
Thank you.
Uh,
I will remember it. Try to remember it.
okay. So will you please tell me something about V-shaped recovery, V recovery? Little elaboration
What
about
is
V
V-shaped
recovery.
recovery?
Yes, V
So what
recovery.
happens when when the economy falls suddenly in a sudden manner, what we expect normally is a sudden recovery also. So the fall happens suddenly and the recovery also happens suddenly. So on a graph, it forms the shape of a V. The line of recovery and depletion forms the shape of a V. That's why we call it V-shaped recovery. It's basically a rapid recovery after rapid downfall. Okay, so that's what I was hoping for the GDP to happen, that we have experienced a rapid downfall. We will also experience a rapid recovery.
Okay, that's it. That's it, sir. Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, Abhilasha ma'am. Yes, Nirushi.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes, Rahul, I just want to ask one more thing. कि अपने CV में you have written languages में Hindavi. What is Hindavi?
Yes, ma'am. तो हिंदवी इसको अपन हिंदुस्तानी भी कहते हैं. अब इंडिया में बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं, कोई एक लैंग्वेजेस नहीं है. तो माना जाता है कि जो सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं उनको प्रोमैलगुएट करके एक लैंग्वेज बनी हिंदवी, जिसे हम हिंदुस्तान की एक पूरे हिंदुस्तान की भाषा कह सकते हैं. मैं
Okay,
मानता हूँ
good
कि
enough.
मैं वो भाषा बोलता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बोलने में थोड़ी राजस्थानी, थोड़ी हिंदी, थोड़ी उर्दू सब आती रहती है.
Good.
Well done.
That is it. Vineet sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. I will just ask one question from you, Rahul. While your presentation was going on, there is one thing I want to know about. What do you mean by stimulus checks in a sentence, please? Stimulus checks in a sentence, please. You have used this word.
So stimulus checks are money which are given to the people by a government in state of emergency or some bad state, to help them survive or to help the economy recover. It's basically money given to the market to restart it. Okay, to give it a kickstart when nobody is having money. So government distributes money to its citizens so they can purchase some things that kickstart the economy.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. That was nice from you. And I believe we all are satisfied from your answers which has been given over here. That's it from our side. As the Viva we have taken, now let us go back to the gallery view over there.